चलो सर. So again, everyone, very good morning to all of you guys. I hope I'm audible as well as visible to everyone. Am I audible, visible, everybody? Am I audible as well as visible, everyone? I hope I'm audible, visible. Perfect. Chalo. So Yogesh, Swadha, Cynthia, Suchishmita, very good morning, and all the others as well. Very good morning. So I can only take the names of those who have commented. So again, very good morning to everyone, not only them. Okay? And again, this is being streamed over in the YouTube as well. So again, to our YouTube audience as well. So very good morning. Chalo. Let's start, sir. So again, this is the uh, Sunil. Very good morning, brother. Very good morning. So again, this is your practice set for the first practice set. We'll have a few more. So the first practice set for the profit, loss, and interest calculations. So we will do like all the questions. So mainly today we'll focus on profit loss, but again, few interest questions also have taken. Okay? And I'll upload everything that you guys can see for YouTube audience as well. I'm saying this. So the course mein to will have multiple sessions, but the first session is being live streamed over in YouTube as well. So again, this PDF, if you want, you will get that too as well. Okay? In our app, go to the courses section, and there you will find the YT PDFs. There you will find the option to download the YT PDFs. So everything that I'm writing, so that like with these annotations, you will get the option to like download that. Okay, Harish, very good morning, brother. Very good morning. Chalo, let us start now. Again, this is let me just set up some ground rules here for those who are joining us for the first time. So this is a practice session. So in our theory classes, I'll explain the things. I'll like kind of teach the topics. But again, in the practice classes, so I'll give you each question. I'll give you some time, 30, 40, 50 seconds, maybe a minute, depending on the question, and then we'll solve it together. But again, your target should be you have to complete that. You have to complete that by the given time. 30, 40 seconds. May try karo at least. At least try to solve it. So this is our first question of the day. This is the first question of the day. So again, please do this very quickly. Very quickly, please do it. Now, most of these questions I've not written the name of the exam or something. Most of these are PYQs along with some most probable questions, meaning the questions that I have made from the PYQs. Sir, Madhav purchased an item for 42,000 like rupees, sold it at a loss of this. And whatever amount he got after selling it, with that amount he purchased another item and sold it again at a gain of 30%. Sir, what is the overall gain, sir? What exactly is the overall gain, sir? Chalo, let's see. 30 seconds time, please solve. 30 seconds time, please solve, sir. Again, a little bit of an internet issue I'm facing in the morning. So, here I am not seeing anything. Chalo. If you find any problem, please do let me know. Chalo, I've got one answer. Let's see, sir. Let us see, sir. Let others also complete. Let others also complete. Then we'll move on to this. I got two answers till now from Rixi and Shwadha. Third answer has been given to me by AV. brother or sister, I don't know your name. So please feel free to give me your name. So there are two ways to do it. Dekho. Like who will clear the exam, who will not clear the exam. Or like I should not say not clear, who will struggle a little bit. Like that person needs to learn a little bit more. Kumar, let's see, let's see. Acha, it is Shiksha, I guess your name, right? Shiksha. Perfect. Sir, please understand what is happening here. Understand the situation. 42,000, there is something. It is being sold at a loss of 20%. 20% loss. And I'm getting to something, right? And whatever is this value, on top of this, there is a 30% profit and I'm getting something. And they are asking us, what are they asking? They are asking, what is this total profit, sir? What is the total profit, not in terms of percentage, but in terms of value? And again, whenever we see a diagram like this one, some percentage change, be it plus or minus, doesn't matter. We are getting to something, then again, another percentage change, plus or minus, doesn't matter. I'm getting to something. Sir, what is this? Like this case is of what? Yogesh, perfect. Ashish, perfect. Suchishmita, perfect. Very, very good. So this is a template case of AB theorem, sir. You will say, sir, this is a template case of AB theorem. That's the easiest or the most apt way to proceed with this question. So what we'll do, sir? Loss of 20% means minus 20 because loss means negative, and the profit of 30 means plus 30. Plus into minus is minus 20 into 30 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. So it is plus 10 and minus 6 means 4%. Meaning ultimately this person Madhav will make a plus 4% profit. On what? Now the question is 4% of what? 4% of whatever was his principal or whatever was his like the CP CP for the first item. So meaning your answer will be as simple as that. 42,000 ka 4% means this. 0000. 42 fours are 168. And a 0 remaining, that's your answer. You do not need to do. Again, please understand. Many people will do what? Many people will do, sir, 42,000, 20%, 1/5 ghata do, you will get something, calculate this value. Then again, sir, on this value, you increase 130 by 100, 13 by 10, you get this, then you do that subtraction. But again, that calculation, especially this last 130, 13 by 10 calculation will not be easy. So it is better you just do this in one line. Understood? Everybody clear, sir? Everybody clear? This is the approach. These small little things will make or break your exam. Okay? So first question done, understood. Moving on. If anyone here is having any issues, any problem, any doubts, feel absolutely free to ask. Perfect. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 40 सेकेंड्स का टाइम है सर जल्दी से बनाओ सर एवरीवन प्लीज सॉल्व इट वेरी वेरी क्विकली वेरी 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 क्विकली प्लीज सॉल्व इट सर जल्दी से again this is a practice batch from crash course I have not taken any level 0 questions वो सबको आता है few questions you will get in your exam in your CGL exam which will be that level 0 questions but again those questions everybody can do I'm skipping those जल्दी से बताओ सर no answers yet no answers yet 40 seconds over quickly I'm giving you 10 more seconds जल्दी से बनाओ Suchishmita is the first one to give us our answer. She's saying 33.33%. Very good, Suchishmita. Rixi is also saying the same. Ashish is also saying the same. Very, very good. Chalo, need more answers. At least 10 more answers I need. देखो Do not complicate the situation when something is given in this fashion. कभी भी इसको complicate मत करो. Yogesh, very good brother. Let's see. Usual selling price 9/10 of this. 9/10 of this, meaning sir, I'm taking usual selling price. Acha, before I go there, understand one thing, everyone. This is very, very simple thing, very fundamental thing. Sir, over in this whole question, is there any value mentioned? Rupee is this much. It was sold for rupees this much. Nothing like that. You see, some ratio, percentage, these things are given. And in the end, they are also asking percentage profit. Meaning that also they are asking a percentage itself. So meaning I don't need to take any variable X, Y, Z, anything. I can simply go with 100 percentage. So usual SP I'm taking 100 rupees. So it was sold at 9/10 of that. So SP, actual SP is 9/10 means 90 rupees, sir. This into 9/10, sir. So you calculate, you'll get 90. So 90 rupees में known Brixie, I didn't get you what you are trying to say. I guess some print like a typing error. Now, if it was sold in 90 rupees, there was a profit of 20%. So the best way to calculate CP from here is the modular method that मैं चिल्ला चिल्ला के सिखाया. So CP, so 20% profit means 120 is the SP and 100 is the CP. And SP is what, sir? SP is 90 rupees. बैठा दो, sir. Sir, just calculate. 3 threes are this, 3 fours are this, 4 25s are this. So this is 75. So 75 rupees is the CP. Now they are saying, like which he had made the profit percentage on the usual selling price. 75 rupees ka cheese, he is selling it for 100 rupees, usual like SP. What is the profit percentage? Sir, profit will be 25 rupees because SP is 100, CP is 75. Out of what, sir? Out of always CP, that is 75 percentage, fraction to percentage is into 100. So this is 1/3, meaning 33.33%. So it was a 10-second ka question actually. Now I had explained, I have tried to do many things. It took me a little bit more time. But again, honestly, this should not take you more than 10, 20, 30 seconds, max 30 seconds. Perfect, everyone. Perfect. This is 100% clear to everyone. You guys can solve it now. Next question then. Next question then. Again, any doubts whatsoever, feel absolutely free to ask me. ठीक है? Don't feel like अरे भाई ये नहीं करेंगे अरे 40 seconds जल्दी से बनाओ सर, जल्दी से बनाओ सर. जीना कहाँ गया? चलो 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 सर, चलो जल्दी से. चलो, need answers. So I got one answer from Rixie saying 25. Very good. Any other answers? सर एक चीज देखो अच्छे से समझो. सर just read the question. अरे यार sorry रुको. This is this technical glitch that happens after I give the timer. ले ले भाई, हाँ ले लिया. देखो, understand sir. Sir, this X is there na to confuse you, to make your life difficult. That's one thing. KH 30. Let's see, brother. Let's see. Now they are saying X rupees, but again, if you see, all the values are given in terms of percentage, and last में what they're asking, sir, percentage profit, meaning they're asking also percentage. So ये X में नहीं चाहिए. So let's assume something. Sir, X ka value is 100 rupees. The best assumption that I can make. That I can make, sir. But again, I'll go one step further. Why? Because I can see this percentage is two-third. This stands for two-third, we all know. Percentage to fraction, sir. So let's do one thing, sir. Let's not take this 100. Let's take this 300. Because so that I don't even need to calculate anything with fraction. वो easy बनाएंगे sir हम इसको. So that means if it was sold for two-third of it, meaning sir, if the SP was 200 rupees, if the SP was 200 rupees, there was a loss of 20%. Sir, that means from this information I can figure out CP. Sir, loss of 20% means SP is sir 80%, 20% loss. Sir, SP 80%, I need CP, CP is 100%. So this SP is what, sir? SP is 200. Calculate कर लो, sir. 8, 4, 5s are this, 4 2s are this, 2, this is sir 50. So the CP is 250 rupees. 250 rupees CP, sir. Now they are asking, what is the percentage profit when it is sold for X? X means when it is sold for 300. Sir, 250 CP, 300 is SP. Sir, can anyone tell me the profit percentage? आप बोलोगे सर बच्चे लोग भी सो के बोल देंगे. Sir, profit is 50 rupees, 250. 250 is CP, 300 SP, profit is 50. Out of, sir, the CP of 250. Sir, for percentage, you multiply 100. Sir, this is 1/5. 1/5 stands for 20%. 1/5 stands for 20%. Option number 4, sir. That's your answer. That is your answer. So, Rixi, yes, your second answer is correct. KH, thoda garbar ho gaya. Suchishmita, Swadha, yes, everyone. Your answers are now 100% correct. 100% correct. देखो, these are all previous year CGL questions. You want to know, sir, this question again, you might see, sir, ये easy है. No, let me, if you want, I can give you the exact year as well. रुक जाओ, मैं बता देता हूँ इसको. ये third question है ना. This is a third question. This is CGL 2022 का question है, sir. This is a question from CGL 2022 Tier 1 exam. चलो 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 sir. चलो, let's move on. Let's move on to the next question, sir. Sir, let's do this. Do this, sir. Do this. Quickly solve this. Clear na everyone? Anyone having any issues, please feel free to ask. ठीक है? कुछ भी, you might feel, sir, this is very simple. I don't really need to ask. But again, if you have a slightest of the doubt, feel free to ask. This is your career. So don't be shy or anything. पूछ लो जो पूछना है. Sir, please do. Sorry. I've not given the timer. Just ask. Just a second. Six cost price means अरे रुको एक सेकंड. What will the profit percentage on the 6 times होना चाहिए. Look, I'm just checking. It might be 6 times. Some mistake from my typist. एक सेकंड मैं बता देता हूँ. Just give me 1 second. The book में भी यही है. but it is 6 times होना चाहिए, then 6 times we'll take. ठीक है, we will do it by taking, it is 6 times. ठीक है, some minor mistake maybe because I've sent pictures from the books ना, I guess the same thing. थोड़ा issue books में भी हो सकता है, like in terms of typing, major minor thing, not a big deal, right? Profit of 10% when the item is sold at 5 by 6 of its actual selling price. What will be the profit percent on the, I guess is 6 ना होना ही नहीं चाहिए, because looking at the options, I don't think this 6 is a mistake. I don't think there should be this 6. I do not think there will be any this 6. It's a printing mistake. I guess in the book as well, my typist has not made an error. मैंने अभी check किया. Yes, ignored 6. Yeah, Satswada. Perfect. Because looking at the options, because 6 times will be, then the profit percentage will go off multifolds, right? Acha, sir. Sir, again, sir, 5 by 6. Keep that in mind. Sir, selling price, actual selling price का क्या है, sir? Selling price is what, sir? 5/6 of this. Acha, actual selling price, I am taking then what? 60 rupees. You will say, Achanak say, why you are taking 60? That's something you need to understand. Because I have this 5/6, now I could have taken 600 as well, because percentage. But again, 10% is very good, that is 1/10. So I don't really need to go till 600. If you want, that will also be correct, no problem there. But again, you can just go like survive with 60 only. So मैंने वही ले लिया. So what is the SP, sir? SP will be at 5/6 of this, because this is the actual SP. So 5/6, meaning you multiply this. So it becomes 50 rupees, sir. It becomes 50 rupees, sir. So 50 rupees में बेचा. And that is, there is a profit of 10%. Meaning, sir, CP I can figure out from here. Sir, profit of 10%. Profit of 10% meaning, sir, 110. SP, CP is 100. And this is 50 is SP given. So just calculate kar lo, sir. 500 by 11. This is the CP, sir. बाप रे. ठीक है, चलो क्या ही करें. What will be the profit percentage on the cost price when it is sold at the actual SP, meaning 60? So this is your SP, this is your CP. तो 11 तो आना चाहिए. Chalo, let's see. So profit will be how much, sir? 60 minus this SP minus CP. So 60 minus 500 by 11 divided by CP is 500 by 11 into 100, sir. 660 minus 500 is 160 by 500. Why, sir? By 11 cancels into 100, sir. This is 5, no, this is 32. So 32% is your correct answer. Option number 2, 32% is most definitely your correct answers. Not difficult. You see, 2, 3, 4 line ka questions. All these questions are of 2, 3, 4 lines at max. Nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. Correct, sir? Correct, everyone? Everybody, I hope clear? YouTube stream रुक गया था. चल. Moving on. Moving on, sir. Sir, 1 minute time I can give you guys for this. 1 minute time I can give you for this. चल जल्दी से बनाओ, जल्दी से बनाओ सर. Quickly, 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 I need answers. I need quickly. चलो चलो आंसर्स चाहिए. 1 minute is done. Need answers. Need answers, everyone. Jaldi se. Surjit is saying 60. Kumar, like Shiksha is saying 60. Rixi is saying 60. Chalo, 3 answers I've got. All are saying sir option 4. फिर से गड़बड़. अरे ले ले भाई. All are saying 60. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Chalo. An article is sold at a certain price. Okay. If it is sold at 33.1, sir, one third. ये सब हटाओ, ये उल्टा सीधा. There is a loss of 1/3. 1/3 का लॉस भी है सर. ठीक है. Now, what is the percentage profit of the article if the article is sold at 80% of the original selling price, sir? 80% means like 4/5, sir. Sir, that means I need original selling price. Original SP I'll be needing. Sir, ये हमको चाहिए. I need original SP, sir. Sir, how can we get that? देखो, understand, sir. I'll assume something percentage है. But again, don't please understand. This is 1/3, and this is by 5. So it always makes more sense if I can take something which is both divisible by 3 as well as 5, sir. Correct? You are getting my point. देखो कैसे सोच रहे हम. Because this one step, one simple logic will reduce our calculations by a lot. So I am taking 3 5s are 15 rupees is what, sir? It is my like original SP. Now, if it is sold for 1/3 of this price, meaning, sir, 1/3 means if it is sold for 5 rupees, this is SP. There is 1/3 loss, sir. So, meaning from this information, can I figure out CP, sir? Sir, 5 rupees loss of 1/3, meaning if my 1 rupee is my CP, 1/3 loss means 2/3 is my SP. Correct? So this represents 2/3, sir. And I need my CP. I need my CP. CP is 1 rupee. So 3 ऊपर चला जाएगा, sir. So 5 3s are 15/2 rupees is my CP, sir. This is my CP. This is exactly my CP. Now, they are selling it for 80% of this, of original selling price. Meaning, sir, 4/5 of 15 rupees. Sir, 5 3s are this. So that is 12 rupees. They are asking what is the profit percentage. SP I know, CP I know. SP, CP both I know. So profit percentage तो कोई भी निकाल लेगा सर. SP minus CP by CP into 100, sir. So 2 cancels. This will be 24. This is 9/15 into 100, sir. 3 3s are this, 3 5s are this, 5 20s are this, sir. So 20 into 3, sir, 60%. That's your answer, sir. Option number 4 definitely is the correct answer. Again, you see, one simple trick of taking 15 reduced my this calculation both together. Here, if you take 100%, वो खुद के like you are kind of making trouble for yourself. खुद ही को problem होगा बाद में. Absolutely clear, sir. Is this 100% clear to everyone? I hope this is 100% clear. चलो दिन आगे बढ़े. Put 3 stars to this question. One of the most favorite types of CGL. One of the most favorite type of CGL. Please solve. अच्छा, I'm giving you some time. But भाई timer का ये software में there is a problem. Whenever you see give timer वो problem होता है. चलो चलो चलो. Let's do it. Let's do it, everyone. Need answers, answers, answers. जल्दी जल्दी चाहिए सर आंसर्स. बताओ बताओ बताओ. Need answers. Last 5 seconds. Srijan is saying 560. Srijan is saying option number 4, 560. Chalo. Suchishmita is saying 700. Option number 3. Okay. Surjit is also saying 700. अच्छा 700 का पल्ला थोड़ा भारी है सर. 2:1. ठीक है. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Cost price of an article is given. This is CP, sir. Correct. Profit as a percentage of selling price is 20. What is the actual profit? What exactly is the actual profit? Sir, please understand. Sir, selling price का ऊपर profit है 20%, sir. Now, that means it is not the profit on top of CP, sir. Achha, there is a shortcut that is 20 and 25, 100x by 100 plus x. But again, let's not get into that. Let us not get into that shortcut. Like I'll show you that way. But again, before that, let's understand. Let us understand, sir. 700 will be the correct answer. अच्छा मैं बता दूं. अच्छा चलो एक काम करो. Just know this because it's a crash course. Then that is the reason I'm telling you shortcuts. Sir, if the percentage profit on SP is X%, then the percentage profit on CP is 100x by 100 plus X%. This is a direct shortcut. And 20, if you put na sir, करके देखो 100 into 20 by 100 plus 20. अच्छा एक सेकंड मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया. अरे सेलिंग प्राइस. एक सेकंड एक सेकंड एक सेकंड. Just a second. It will be greater ना. Sorry, minus होगा सर. Sir, my mistake. It will be sir minus. Okay, 100 minus x. देखो how did I think? Like there are ways to think. Sir, please understand. If the profit on selling price is 20, profit on cost price will be more than 20. That's for sure. Because profit is happening means CP is less than SP. CP less means the profit percentage will be more. Because profit to same, profit is constant. So that is the reason you see I was doing it wrong. But again I understood nahi yes nahi. So 100 minus 20 is 80. Sir. So 20 and 4. And remember this 20 and 25 is a good pair. ऐसे तरह में. So sir, profit like CP is this 25% profit on CP. 25% stands for 1/4. So you can say the profit, the actual profit will be 1/4 of the CP, that is 2800. 4 sevens are this, so that means 700 is this. So option 3 is the correct answer, not option 2. Yes, Rixi, absolutely that will be the answer because of this change. But again, this is very formula based. If you know this, then you are sorted. If you don't know this, to gadbar. So can we avoid this method altogether using this formula? Can we avoid using this formula and get to something else? थोड़ा और कुछ कर सकते हैं क्या? Anybody, sir? Anybody, sir? Sir, we can use modular method in this case. Please understand. You can use modular method. Yes, Rixi, you are correct. But again, sir, थोड़ा समझते हैं, sir. Sir, here the change is that every percentage calculation was done on like this CP. Oh, sorry, SP. So if I take SP is 100 rupees, correct, sir? So profit is how much, sir? Think you not always you need formulas. Sir, profit is 20 rupees because 20% of SP. So CP will be how much, sir? CP कितना होगा सर? CP will be, sir, profit means SP is higher, so it will be 100 minus 20, that is 80 rupees. Correct? Now, you don't need to do anything if you know modular method. Only value that we know is 2800. This represents what, sir? This 2800 represents what? This represents your CP. So CP is here 80. And what we put on top, whatever they're asking what is the actual profit. Sir, profit मेरे को पता है, that is 20. So just put it here. That's your answer in one go without any formula. करके देखो सर, ये देखो 1/4 आ रहा है 417, like 4 sevens at 28. So directly you get your answer as 700 rupees. This is without using the formula. If you ask me, I will say go with this method because this can be used everywhere. This can be used again. And for those who don't know what this modular method is, this is actually a extension of unitary method और कुछ नहीं, मैंने थोड़ा mechanize किया है. So in your theory classes in this batch only, I'll definitely discuss this. But if you want, if you have the super elite, in that case, go to my foundation batches. So this year I have taken 3 foundation batches in total. There I have discussed this modular method in detail. ठीक है? Yes, definitely. Without formula is 300% better. If you ask me, I am in your team only, brother. I don't prefer doing things by formula. But again, you see, sometimes formula भी थोड़ा जरूरी है because time is also an issue. But again, we need to minimize that as much as possible. Sir, next question, sir. Next question, sir. जल्दी से बताओ. 1 minute time. जल्दी से complete this. Do this. Dinesh, very, very good morning, brother. Very, very good morning. Chalo. Sir, everyone, please solve. Please solve, sir. Please solve. Dinesh has given answer 80. Anybody here? Swadha has given answer 80. Very, very good. Very, very good. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Surjit is also saying 80. Very good. Chalo. चलो आगे बढ़े. क्या है? Certain shop, the profit is 130% of the cost. Cost means CP, cost price. ठीक है? Now, CP, profit, SP. 3 things they have asked. CP is, sir, 100 rupees if I say this. Sir, 130 is the profit, right? That means 230 is the SP, sir. Everyone agrees with me? 100 rupees CP, 130% is profit, meaning 130 rupees. So SP will be CP plus profit. It's very simple. Now what happened? Cost price increased by 28%. So it has increased to 128. Increment of 28%. Now, selling price is whatever it was, that is 230 rupees. So what happened to, sir, like this profit? Profit will be said SP minus CP, sir. So 230 minus 130 is 100. So it is 102. It is 102. Sir, what is the profit percentage to the nearest whole number? So 102 is the profit out of, sir, 128. Out of, sir, 128. So just calculate. So this is 51. This is 64. Nearest whole number 60, 80, 59. 59 and 60 आई एम स्केप्टिकल कि पूरा करना पड़ सकता है, पूरा करना, बट अगेन 51 बाई 50 बाई सर ये 80% के आसपास आएगा, बट स्टिल so let's do one thing, sir. 50 by 64 into 100 if I do. So I'm just doing a little bit of here and there. So 8 eights are this 25 and this is 25. इसको almost 3 ले लेते हैं sir. वही 75% आ रहा है, तो 75% means now I have, you see, all I have done, I have reduced this numerator. I have only reduced this numerator, so my answer will be more than this because numerator को reduce करेंगे. If I reduce numerator, my answer like goes down. So it will most definitely be 80, not 75 exactly. Because twice I have reduced the denominator in numerator. So my answer will be a little bit more than this. This is one way. Another, the very logical way is what I have shown you. मैंने एक टेक्निक दिखाया था of interpolation. If when you are not sure how to do this, sir, you take this denominator to the nearest multiple of 100 and जो भी है लिख दो. So meaning we have done minus 28. Take the rough ratio. This is 5 by 6 into sir 28. Sir 6 से करोगे तो 4.5 almost. So 20 and 100 like 22 you reduce. So it will become 80. You see, you are getting 0 answer as 80%. So this is the interpolation technique that I had shown you. वही फिर से you need to refer to the foundation batch. Interpolation technique. I told you in DI, in multiple ulta seedha calculations, there is nothing better than this method if you know. This is not a very common method, not a very popular method, but again it gives you answer to like as accurate as 0.2. 0.2 के 2 से ज़्यादा like error आता नहीं है without calculators. ठीक है, so if anyone wants to know this, I'll definitely like just ask me in one of the theory classes. I'll explain a little bit, or you can, if you want it now, like you'll have this like available in the foundation batches. बहुत जगह पे मैंने ये सिखाया है. Perfect. चलो चलो मूविंग ऑन सर. अच्छा एक काम करते हैं सर, लेट्स डू a couple of questions from this interest as well. ठीक है सर. This is couple of questions let us do from interest as well. जल्दी से बनाओ सर, जल्दी से बनाओ सर. Please do this as soon as possible. जल्दी से बनाओ सर. Simple interest is one of the very easy parts, very simple parts. नाम में ही simple है, right? So use that to your advantage. Simple interest at the same interest rate on 500 for 4 years and 700 for 2 years combined together is this. ठीक, what is the rate of interest? So you can do it by allegation, you can do it by like weighted average, बहुत कुछ. But I'm doing it very simply. भाई उतना नहीं आता भाई. चल, let's do it. Sir, rate of interest I don't know. That is R% per annum. So in 2 years, I'll get 2R%. So my interest for 700 rupees will be 700 into 2R percentage plus on this 500 rupees, sir, 500 into 4R percentage. This is given as 280. Now it's all about manipulation. It is now all about manipulations. कैसा sir? थोड़ा देखो. Everybody, please see to it. So two things I can do. So 2R को 2 give it to this. 1400 into R% can I write or can I think? And give this 4 to this. So 5 fours are 2000. 2000 ka R%. You see what I'm doing or what I'm trying to do. Ki, sir, at the end of the day, sir, 50% of 200. And if I give this 5 to this, that means 10% of 5 into 200, 1000. Sir, both are the same thing. Na? because percentage means it's a multiplication. So it's commutative. I can do like like this shuffling. So yeah, this is the concept. This is the concept. So if you do this, sir, R percent of 1400, R percent of 2000. So can I very simply say, कि sir वो सब छोड़ो, R percent of total 14 and 2000, that is 3400. This is equal to 2800. 0000. Sir, R is equal to 28 divided by 35, 34, and parts percentage this side it will go with this. कर लो calculation. So 1714. So देखो 1400 divided by 17, sir. 1400 divided by 17, sir. How much is the answer? You just calculate. Sir, 14, 17, sir, sir 8 for 17, sir 136, right? 136. तब तो ये होगा आंसर. Option 3 will be the answer. Is it clear, sir? Now, why I have shown you this technique? Please understand these techniques. I am a big believer of this. देखो, हर एक question के लिए अलग-अलग technique. No, these are all generalized technique. Sir, for CISI combined questions, also we can use this simple technique. Yes, same technique. Yeah, for example, for those types of those like two different interest rates like this one, we can use these techniques. We can approach the question. We can think in this fashion. Because at the end of the day, it's all about how you are thinking about a particular question. Done, sir? Everybody clear, sir? Clear, everyone? 100% clear. चलो थोड़ा आगे बढ़े sir. Question number 17. Similar question. Yes, Dinesh, you are correct, brother. You are absolutely correct. Correct. चलो आगे बढ़ो. जल्दी से बनाओ सर. सर आई डोंट नो टाइम. नहीं पता तो ले लेते. T years. Sir, first situation, what is the total interest? 6% per year into T year. 60. Sir, 1760 into 60% plus. Second में sir, 2240 per year, sir. How much? 9%. T years में sir 90%. Correct. He had to pay total of this. So total interest is 1536. You will say, sir, क्या problem, sir? आप कुछ common ले लो, sir. क्या common लेंगे, sir? 3T% can I take common? Like the same thing that we had done. There I had multiplied, I'm taking common, same thing, sir. 3T% means 3T by 100. So this will be 1760 into 2, sir. One like 1734, 3520, sir. Plus. This is how much, sir? This is 2240 into 3. So 6600 and sir 120. 6720, sir. This is equal to 1536. Calculate कर लो. Calculate कर लो. 3 5s are 15, 1s are this, 2s are this. T by 100. So 35 and 67, or rather 9,000, just writing it here. 9,000, 500 and 700 is 1200 and 40, sir. 10,400. This is equal to 512. 0000. ये सर divided तो नहीं हो रहा है सर. Have I made some error? Have I made some error? Because 5 4s are 20 आ रहा है. 520 would have given us the same correct answer. हमने कुछ गलत किया क्या? एक second. Just a second. I might have made some calculation mistake. रुक जाओ एक second. 1760 into 2. 17 2s are 3400 and 120, 3520. This into 3, 6600 and 3 4s are 120. So 6720. 67, 6000, 3000, 9000. This is 1240. So इधर मैंने गलत कर दिया, अरे मैं पागल हूं, देखो भाई, सॉरी। 10,240, अरे यार सॉरी। अरे ये देखो कितना अच्छा दिख रहा है कि 5 2 लाइक 512 into 2, एंड मैं क्या करके बैठा था। 1010 गॉन सर, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 5। My mistake, my mistake, everyone. My mistake. So option number 3, 5 is the correct answer. Yes, yes, yes. My mistake, my mistake. मैं हाथ उठा दिया, my mistake. ठीक है? So this was your quiz. Simple calculations, not very difficult at all. अच्छा, sir, good question this one. Very, very, very good question. Yes, yes, yes. Dinesh, thank you, thank you, thank you everyone. चलो 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 सर, next one. Again, in simple interest, I've shown you no formula, nothing we are going to use. We are going to use normal calculations. Normal calculations of percentage. Percentage आता है तो simple interest आता है. Interest as a whole आता है. Sir, this amount becomes this amount in 4 years. Ask yourself this question if you are a beginner. Why? Why this amount is increasing? So meaning this is interest. This amount is accruing some interest, so that is the reason it is increasing, sir. By how much? Sir, it is 125 and 625. 6 and 1, 750 rupees interest, sir. 750 rupees interest it acquired on over 4 years. So every year interest is by 4. Every year it got this much interest, sir. Now, I need to figure out the percentage. Na? I'm not calculating. वो बाद में करेंगे, sir. What I'm saying, that means what is the interest per year in terms of percentage? Can anyone tell me? Sir, क्या होगा sir? Sir, interest per year is this much, and interest is always calculated on base. What is the base? Principal. So principal is 1875. You know, and percentage के लिए you multiply 100. This is every year's interest. ठीक है? Now calculate कर लेते हैं. 425s of this. 25 से तो ये कटेगा. 25 sevens are 175. 125 means 5. Correct? 17, एक सेकेंड, कुछ गलत किया हमने. 175, 12, हाँ नो सर, it's okay. So again 25 threes are this, or other 20, 75 direct ही कर दो, क्या कर रहे थे? So it's 10%. It is 10%, sir. So every year we are getting 10% as interest. That's the calculation we had done using this first line. Now they are asking in what will 24,000 rupees become at the end of 9 years, same rate of interest under simple interest. Sir, rate of interest 10%. It means every year we are getting 10%. 9 सालों में, 9 years, how much will get, sir? 90%. So what will be the amount they are asking? What will it become? It will become, sir, 190%, because principal is always 100% plus 90% interest. Calculate kar lo, sir. So that means 24,000 into 190% means 190 by 100. That's your answer. Thoda calculate kar lo, sir. Sir, again, no need to calculate, I think, the whole thing. ये है, sorry, 2400. So last में sir double zero will be there because there are 2 zeros. Next will be, sir, 4 nines are 36. 4 nines are 36 means it will end, the third digit from the right will be 6. Either this or, sir, this. ये दोनों, sir, answer नहीं हो सकता. This cannot be the answer. Now a little bit, use your brain. Sir, 24 times almost 20. 24 into 20 is 48. Meaning 24 twos are 48. So my answer will be less than 48, just less than 48. The first. So 45 is there, 21 is there. ये तो कभी नहीं हो सकता. So the only possible answer is option 1. Only possible. Yes, exactly. Exactly, Dixie. You see, not every time you need to calculate everything. थोड़ा दिमाग भी लगा सकते हो. We can use a little bit of our brain as well. थोड़ा थोड़ा, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, but that can, like that we can definitely use. ठीक है? So again, this like was our first class for the practice session of profit, loss, and interest. Now, this course has been designed. Let me just say this to everyone. Someone might have this question, sir. Why are we starting with practice? Because while practicing, you see, I'm saying ki this thing will do, this thing is there, this thing is there, that thing is there, right? So there's a very natural question, ki, sir, then why are we starting? First thing first, brothers and sisters, you see, we don't have much time, right? Let's face the fact we do not have 6 months, 7 months, 4 months, 5 months, nothing like that. We have less than 60 days. Correct? 60 days भी पूरा नहीं है, 2 महीने भी पूरा नहीं है. So we need to we're like our target is to cover as much as possible in these 60 days. So in maths, the syllabus is the biggest, as we all know, hands down the biggest. So what we are going to do, we'll have two classes. So 3 p.m. class, the second class of the day, like which I'll take from 3 p.m. There, what we'll do, we'll start with some theory portion. We're starting from geometry because that's, I feel that is where most of the students are having problem. It might be a little tricky. आपको लगेगा अरे सर पहला दिन ही like geometry. But again, that's the way I've planned this course. I've designed this course. So we will do that like in, so out of two classes of every day, one class में हम लोग थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे, थोड़ा सीखेंगे, and the second class will do practice. And once those like parts are done, so that like those portion will go cover in practice session, and again these portions will do a little bit of theory, will understand a little bit. Okay, so it's a hybrid approach that we are taking so that we can cover most of the things, most number of things in the least number of like least amount of time, because the scarcity here, now the biggest challenge is to is the time. So usko khatam karna hai, sir. Yes, triangles will be start. Geometry means we must like start with triangles, right? We cannot go beyond that. I hope this thing. So again, for YouTube audience, I'm saying this: the triangles class will also be live streamed, the first class. So if you want, please feel free to join. Okay. And again, thank you so much to everyone for joining. I hope you have loved the class. If you have, please do rate the class. That's very important. And for our YouTube audience, please do like the session if you have loved this. And both for YouTube as well as our platform students, you will have the option to give the feedback, your honest feedback, whatever you felt about the class. In the rating section, you'll see there is an option of commenting and stuff. So feel free to like share your like honest thoughts. Thank you everyone. Then take care. Bye bye. I'll see you guys at 3. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.